Hello everyone, wanted to go ahead and show you guys how we can actually edit columns on our SharePoint site. So let's say we have this column called department and we wanted to go ahead and make it required so that each one of these files and folders required this department field. What we'd need to do is we'd have to click on this drop down, come over to column settings, click on edit, and then from here we can make changes to like the choices, the type, the name of the column, the description, but in our case we want to click on more, and now we can go ahead and toggle this on, so now this column is required. Now the issue with this is you guys will see when I refresh, it's going to get this message here saying that we need to go ahead and fix these files because they're all missing that field. They're missing the department. That may be a problem if you have lots and lots and lots of files and folders that you need to go ahead and modify. You're like, whoa, I didn't intend for that. I want to go ahead and leave that optional. So what you need to do if you want to go ahead and turn it back off, the same way that we edited it before, just click on the drop down, come over to column settings, click on edit, more options, and then you can go ahead and turn that off. But yep, that's how you actually make changes to the columns. It doesn't give you the same options for the out-of-the-box columns. You can hide them, you can format them, but yeah, as far as I know, you don't have a way to edit these columns over here. But if we want to go ahead and hide the columns, there's a few different ways that we can do it. So if we come over here to add column, then go show or hide columns, we could just go ahead and unclick it, and then that'll remove it here from this list. Or if there's some on here that maybe we want to add, just kind of do the reverse, and then you click it on, and then you hit apply, and then they'll show up.